Hello students, welcome to the program TYBSc, subject Botany, semester 6, course code BOD 104, course title Biofertilizers, Unit 8, Future of Biofertilizer, module name Selection of Competitive and Multifunctional Biofertilizer, case study of Piriformospora indica. Myself, Dr. Suraksha Dongrikar, Assistant Professor, St. Xavier College, Mapsa, Goa. Outline: the role of competitive and multifunctional biofertilizers, selection of Piriformospora indica as multifunctional biofertilizer, learning outcome, explains Piriformospora indica as competitive and multifunctional biofertilizer. Introduction: in India, we need to develop environment friendly, sustainable agriculture, and reduction of agrochemical input is required. This aims to reduce the amount of chemical fertilizer input without decreasing yield of crops by using function of beneficial microorganisms in biofertilizer, which increase availability of plant nutrients from the soil. Need for development of multifunctional biofertilizer that have multi effects on the growth, nutrition uptake of plant as well as reduction of plant disease. So as a result, case study of Piriformospora indica was considered. Piriformospora indica. Piriformospora is a fungal genus of the order Sebaceales. It is a monotypic genus containing the single endophytic root colonizing species Piriformospora indica, discovered from orchid plants in the Thar Desert in Rajasthan, India by Professor Ajit Verma and group, School of Life Sciences, Jawaharlal Nehru University, New Delhi. It interacts with a wide range of hosts, including bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperms, and large number of monocots and dicot plants. Unlike mycorrhizal fungi, which cannot be cultured exanically, Piriformospora indica can be easily grown on various substrates, lacks host specificity, and colonizes roots of many different plants, mostly in an endophytic fashion. The fungus grows inter and intracellularly, forms pear-shaped autofluorescent chlamydospores within the cortex of colonized roots and in the rhizosphere zone, but it does not invade the endodermis and the aerial parts of the plants. It has been found to promote plant growth during its mutualistic symbiotic relationship with a wide variety of plants. The young mycelia of Piriformospora indica are white and almost hyaline, but inconspicuous zonation are observed in older cultures. The mycelia are mostly flat and submerged into the substratum. The hyphae are thin-walled and of different diameters ranging from 0.7 to 3.5 in length. The mycelia are often intertwined and overlap each other. Classification: it belongs to kingdom fungi, division Basidiomycota, class Agaricomycetes, order Sebaceales, family Sabacinaceae, genus Piriformospora, and indica as a species. So in this particular picture you can see the fluorescent pear-shaped chlamydospores, and you can also see the entangled hyphae. Piriformospora indica as competitive and multifunctional biofertilizer. Here, Piriformospora indica is cultivable endophyte that colonizes roots and has been extensively studied. P. indica has multifunctional activities like plant growth promoter, biofertilizer, immune modulator, bioherbicide, phytoremediator, etc. Growth promotional characteristics of Piriformospora have been studied in enormous numbers of plants, and majority of them have shown highly significant outcomes. Certain secondary metabolites from the fungus are reasons behind such promising outputs. Important functions are listed below. A. Plant growth promoter. B. Promotes seed germination, development, quality and yield in different crops. C. Resilience of P. indica to maintain in the crop sustainability under adverse environmental conditions. A. Plant growth promoter. Here, Examples: P. indica has been greatly exploited as biological agent in agricultural sector to improve water absorption, mineral uptake, photosynthesis, plant growth and development, and crop fitness. Examples for the same are listed below in table 1. So here you can see example like Stevia ribaudiana. Here improved vegetative growth has been observed. Then in the case of Spilanthes calva and Withavnia somnifera, there was an increased growth observed when the plants were treated with Piriformospora indica. Then Artemisia annua showed increased leaf and area fresh biomass. Then Coleus forscoli, when applied with the Piriformospora, showed modulation of secondary metabolites production and observed early flowering and growth performance was seen. Helianthus anus, when treated with 15 ml of sterile Piriformospora indica culture, the filtrate showed improved growth. Then chickpea and black lentil showed and improved endogenous nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium and growth performance. Then Phaseolus species showed improved root length, root dry weight, elevated shoot length, shoot dry weight. In the case of Linum album, enhanced growth and antioxidant production was observed. Piper nigrum showed increased leaf number and improved fresh weight. In the case of Lycopersicon esculenta, better growth and development was observed. And in Brassica repa, auxin-mediated plant growth and development was observed. Now here some of the pictures you can see here. The P. indica showed to induce early flowering in Coleus forscoli plant. The plant towards the right was treated with the forscoli and towards the left is the control. Now in the case of the Helianthus anus, the plant treated with sterile culture of P. indica culture filtrate showed, that is towards the right one, showed comparatively good growth in comparison to the control one which is towards the left. B. Promotes seed germination, development, quality and yield in different crops. Examples are listed in table 2. Now example for orchid seeds. They showed improved seed germination. Also the seed quality and yield was good. Vegetable crops like cabbage, then red radish, onion, carrot, cauliflower, peas, snow pea, they show seed germination. Also the seed value and yield was good. Arabidopsis thaliana showed enhanced seed production and seed class and yield was good. Oryza sativa, Zea mays, Tridex procumbens, they showed early seed germination and good seed yield was observed. Helianthus anus, seed yield was very good and higher seed yield with increased oil content was observed. In the case of bryophytes, pteridophytes and gymnosperms, higher seed yield was observed and good seed quality and yield was also shown. Jatropha and Populus showed early seed germination. In this picture, you can see the improvement in the germination of Phaseolus vulgaris seeds when treated with Piriformospora indica culture, which is towards the right, and towards the left is the control. So you can see the seed germination, good inducement is seen towards the right. C. Strength of P. indica to maintain in the crop sustainability under adverse environmental conditions. Here, P. indica increases the nutrient uptake and allows the plant to survive under drought, high and low temperature and salt stresses, converts the systematic resistance to toxins, heavy metal ions and pathogenic organisms, and stimulates the plant and seed production. Examples are discussed in table 3 below. Now here, economically important crops, they showed improved biomass under abiotic stress condition. Triticum aestivum showed growth sustainability under salt stress. Hordeum vulgare showed relieve the plants from attack of leaf pathogens to maintain plant growth performance. In the case of Triticum species, stable growth performance of the plant against the biotic stress was observed. Brassica campestris species showed consistent growth under drought. Lycopersicum esculentum showed it observed that defend plants to sustain plant productivity under biotic stress. Arabidopsis species showed retention and plant productivity under water deficit conditions. Hordeum vulgare showed salinity tolerance to maintain proper vegetative growth. Hordeum vulgare also showed salinity leads to increased productivity. Now here, in this picture, you can see the Piriformospora indica promotes plant growth. A for cabbage plant, towards the right is the one which treated with the Piriformospora indica showed good growth and development. In the case of the beetroots also, towards the right is the one treated with the Piriformospora indica culture. Now, Piriformospora indica promotes the growth of also medicinally plant which are important under control and field conditions. Example like Bacopa monera, the seedlings showed better growth in medium inoculated with P. indica, which is towards the right in the picture. And in the case of B, that is Artemisia annua, showed good growth in field plots treated with P. indica, which is towards the right. Here are some of the references which you can use. Thank you.